Welcome to dear friend of me, Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should open the Gmail application, and then click here on this icon. And you can see right now that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And just to log out from this account, you should click here to manage accounts on this device, and you will launch the Google account settings, because just only when you will log out from Gmail from Google account on your device, then just you can log out by this way. Only by this way you can log out from Gmail application, from Gmail account. So that's why we should just click here on one from these accounts. For example, we'll log out from the first one, click here, and here tap to remove account, click remove account again, and here in Google account settings we stay only in one account. And now we'll just go back to the application. And as can you see, in our Gmail application we also stay only with one Google account. So that's it. That's how to log out from Gmail account on Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.